So the fourth step, investing in marketing and automation systems, automation solution. Now, if you are doing so much of promotion, 40 days content, right? What is your expectation out of this? You should be able to generate leads for whatever is your product, services, or offerings, right? Thank you so much, Shama Prasad ji. Thank you so much. Yeah, right. So what you have to do is, when you are building your content, right now what is happening is you are having a lot of lead leaks. I'm going to type that, lead leaks, because you did not bother to capture the lead, because with your posts you are simply generating an interest. So this is a lead generation that is happening, and I have kind of shared an automation piece also with you, which is multiplying your content is automation only, no? You've made content only once, but we are making it into 4 times, right? Now, when you have made these posts or videos, it is your responsibility to channelize and capture the leads to a system where you can engage with them and communicate with them in an automated manner. So currently WhatsApp is working beautifully. Okay, so the moment somebody gives their contact details, you will have to make sure that either you are creating a Google form. If you are a free kind of a person, you want low cost tools or free tools, then you will have to do along with it will be semi automation. Little manual work you have to do, little automation you can do. But if you are a person who believes in saving time and making the most of so many low cost digital tools available, and simplifying your day-to-day routine and still making the most of it, you have just 1 hour on this work, but in that 1 hour you can simply be working on the Excel sheet, or you can doing your lead management, or you can have an autoresponder. Okay, there are tools, autoresponder tools, where you have a sign up form or opt-in form. These are features available in the autoresponder. So the moment people are interested, they give their name and contact details, and it goes and sits in the list. Automatically you can send them a welcome message, and you can also set up the nurturing communication that you want to do with them. Okay, this is one way. And now, because of WhatsApp group and all, it has become all the more easier. You can simply direct them to your WhatsApp number. Okay, and take a business WhatsApp number. Don't use your personal number for WhatsApp. Take a business get a new SIM, create a new WhatsApp business, and set it as a WhatsApp business number. Okay, and start taking the leads directly, because you will be able to engage with them immediately, almost instantly. Okay, so when you make a video and somebody is interested in your offering, in the description you can write, you can connect with me here, and you can give your WhatsApp link to join. You know how to create a WhatsApp link to join, right? If somebody wants to join, they can just get in touch with that WhatsApp number. Okay, in settings you have that, right? So that's how you will be able to see this. All these things will help you at a lower scale. But if you really are a person who says, no, I'm ready to invest in marketing systems and automation solutions, then it makes sense to get into, see, these are free tools in the beginning. 1 month is free, or 1,000 subscribers are free. And there are a lot of things that we can talk about. So it's available on the tools that I use are available on my website. And as soon as the webinar ends, you will be directed to that page. Okay, so just hold on for 2 minutes, and then you can see all the resources that I talk about there. All right, so that's about it. So these are the 4 steps to create a highly credible online presence. Okay, and it is a preparation stage. So make sure you collect reviews, make sure you collect testimonials, make sure you have the necessary online address, whatever it is, and you have to be where your customers are. Your website can be a great online office address, because you every post that you are doing, you can simply channelize people to your website. On your website, you can give them a lead magnet, and they will give their name and contact details to you, And from there, they have come into your funnel, and the conversion will start happening from there. Okay, the moment you engage with them on WhatsApp, or the moment you engage with them on the email, because then you have to strategize and schedule.